Hello everyone, greetings to you, and we are now on Marikina Polytechnic College, also known as MPC. So as of now, we are offering different kinds of courses such as BTB-TECH, BIT, COT, Entrepreneurship, and also Engineering. So let's go come inside and explore what's inside. Let's go! So hello everyone, as you can see at my back, we are now at Gymnasium located at the top of new building ng Marikina Polytechnic College. As you can see, we are in Gymnasium. This is newly established recently lang, and they made this court for a purpose to train our athletes to compete for the other schools. And it is also a multi-purpose court, not just for training, it is also uses for events, just like an example of basketball and volleyball tournament for teachers and also to the students and other trainees.
Hi, I'm Chester J. Ramores from BIT 229. Siyempre, dito sa MPC, mas lalong nahahasa ang aking technical skills na maaari kong magamit sa industrial field.
I'm Joshua Plenario from COT Electrical. Siyempre, dito sa MPC, may naghihintay na trabaho para sa akin.
I'm Raymart Arsigue from BSAC 3D. Dito sa MPC, ang tungkulin namin is mag-upgrade ng mga system para mas maging high-tech yung school natin. So, mas gusto namin i-upgrade dito is yung pagkuha ng grade sa registrar para mas mapadali yung process nito, hindi yung pipila pa tayo ng mahaba.